Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Car Og 765, the place where we talk about legendary classic cars, vintage trucks, and real automotive history that still makes our hearts beat faster. If you love old American iron, rare pickups, and stories behind timeless machines, you are absolutely in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss a new classic car video. Today we are talking about a true American workhorse and a symbol of post-war strength, the 1949 Chevrolet pickup. This truck is not just a vehicle, it is a story on wheels, a story of hard work, recovery, and simple honest engineering. After World War II, America was rebuilding, businesses were growing, farms were expanding, and people needed reliable transportation that could work all day without complaint. Chevrolet answered that need perfectly with the 1949 pickup. The 1949 Chevrolet pickup came as part of Chevy's Advanced Design series, which was actually introduced in 1947, but the 1949 model refined the idea even more. It had a bold, confident look with its rounded fenders, tall hood, and wide front grille. Compared to earlier boxy trucks, this design felt modern, friendly, and strong at the same time. When you look at it today, it still has that classic charm that makes people stop and stare. Under the hood, the 1949 Chevrolet pickup usually came with Chevrolet's famous inline-six engine. This engine was not about speed or racing, it was about reliability. It was smooth, durable, and easy to maintain. Farmers, mechanics, and small business owners loved it because it could run for years with basic care. This engine made the truck feel alive but dependable, like a loyal partner that never lets you down. The driving experience of a 1949 Chevrolet pickup is something very special. There are no modern electronics, no screens, no driver aids. You feel everything through the steering wheel, the pedals, and the seat. The manual transmission requires real involvement, and that is exactly what classic car lovers enjoy. Every gear change reminds you that you are driving a machine built by human hands, not computers. Inside the cabin, simplicity is the key word. The interior of the 1949 Chevrolet pickup is basic but honest. A metal dashboard, large easy-to-read gauges, a big steering wheel, and a bench seat that could handle long working days. There is beauty in this simplicity. Nothing is extra, nothing is fake. Everything has a purpose, and that purpose is to work. One of the most lovable things about the 1949 Chevrolet pickup is how versatile it was. It could be used on farms, in construction, for deliveries, or even as a family vehicle in rural areas. People trusted this truck. It helped build homes, carry tools, transport crops, and support small businesses. In many ways, trucks like this helped build modern America. Today, the 1949 Chevrolet pickup is highly respected in the classic car world. Many collectors restore them to original condition, keeping the stock engine, paint colors, and interior. Others turn them into beautiful resto mods with modern brakes, updated suspensions, and sometimes even V8 engines. No matter the style, the soul of the truck remains the same. When you see a 1949 Chevrolet pickup at a car show, it always attracts attention. Older people remember seeing these trucks in their childhood, while younger generations admire the design and craftsmanship. It connects generations, and that is the power of a true classic vehicle. Another important thing to appreciate is the build quality. These trucks were made to last. Thick steel, solid frames, and simple mechanical systems mean many of them are still running today, more than 70 years later. That alone tells you how well Chevrolet engineered this pickup. For classic truck lovers, the 1949 Chevrolet pickup represents freedom and authenticity. It reminds us of a time when vehicles were tools first, but still had personality and style. It proves that you don't need luxury to create something legendary. If you are a fan of classic American pickups, the 1949 Chevrolet pickup deserves a special place in your heart. It is not flashy, it is not complicated, but it is real, strong, and full of character. This truck earned its reputation through hard work, and that respect continues today. If you enjoyed this video and love classic cars and vintage trucks like this one, please subscribe to Car Og 765. Like the video, and share it with other car lovers. Your support helps the channel grow and keeps these amazing automotive stories alive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next classic car video.